Hey guys, this is my new coloring book. I belong to an adult coloring book group on Facebook, and it's Jen, Reading with Pugs. It's her page, and somebody had posted this coloring book on it, and it is I just love it. I had to get online and order it, and I'll put the link, if I can find it, in the description below. But it is More Art, the Gingerbread Paint Book, and there's the back. And this has that not waxy, almost a waxy feel to it. The cover does, but this reminds me so much of when I was a child. It was printed, I believe, in 1950, and I was born a few years after that, but still, a lot of the artwork when I was a child was like this. So here's the cover page. And oh my gosh, I just love these. And I'm thinking I'm probably going to photocopy them or trace the images onto watercolor paper and do it that way, because this is a thinner paper. I mean, you can see the images on the back side, so I don't think it's going to handle water very well. She's dropping a little morsel for the dog. They're sitting at the lunch counter. Very much mid-century. The little shoes. There's Jimmy. And a little mouse. And all the little toys. These were very reminiscent from when I was a child. Yes, I'm old, I know. Oh, look at this. This would be so cute if you were to trace this onto watercolor paper and then do a cute little painting and send it to someone for Valentine's Day. She has the little heart buttons on her overalls. He's on the monkey bars, I think. Oh, no, for gymnastics, and they have a mattress. There's his little cap and his books. Oh, isn't that cute? That'd be cute for Valentine's Day, too, to color and give to your sweetheart. If you're good at scanning, you could even scan these and shrink the size down. I don't know how to do that, but you could do that and make cards out of these images. They are so adorable. Little boy, and he's running with his dog. She's brushing her teeth. That's very much like the sink that we had when I grew up. The house I grew up in was built in 1929, and the bathroom still had all the original fixtures and tile. It was a lavender and a light green. It was actually really pretty, and I'm happy that no one changed it out. When I was living there, he has jam all over his face. He's going to bed with his lantern. Pillow fight. They're really simple, and they're actually quite large. The figures. Simple illustrations, but just so darn adorable. Their toy box. We had one like that when I was a child. We had a couple of them. Oh, look at her. She's all fancy. Oh, and a scarecrow. Oh, I love her shoes. She has her wedges on. Little Mexican boy with his sombrero and his guitar. Little farm boy. I need her at my house with Bruno, constantly dry mopping and vacuuming, and all little kittens. These would be really cute too to color and frame for a child's room. If you have a baby coming or a grandbaby perhaps. Birds. Oh yeah, all the different colors. And I always love this effect on the balloons to try to show the spot of reflection. The clown. When my daughter Liz was little, I took her to see the circus and she just started screaming and tried to climb my body. She saw a clown, and up to that point I didn't realize that kids were afraid of clowns. He has his airplane on his stick. And there's a real airplane. The props. These are pretty. Aww. Hearing a story from Grandpa. Little Indian girl. Like the little dog, he wants to get measured too. Oh, a new baby. I don't remember what I paid for it. I think it was maybe $7 shipped off of Amazon, but I'm not really sure. Oh, she's so cute with her wooden clogs and the tulips. I like the border here. I hope I'm in. Yeah, I am. It's hard to fit everything into my camera because I can't get it up high enough, far enough away, I should say. That little triangle. Oh, she's playing teacher. We used to do that. Oh, there's a Boy Scout. Canteen. And Girl Scout. She has a canteen as well. And bedtime with their patchwork quilt. Little stuffed dog. I really like this. How they drew the line to indicate facial structure. And then these are other books that they have. Artemorium. More art. Artemorian. So they have trains. They had a Christmas one. Oh, here's Poppy's coloring book. I thought I saw a Christmas one. Am I just not seeing it? So those are the ones that they have. This is the one that I have. So I just wanted to get on here and share it with you. And then there are a couple of blank pages in the back where I suppose you can try out your colors. But anyway, so as I said, if I can find this, I will link it in the description below in case you're interested in buying it. And thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll just see you next time. Bye.